back and I feel the hope fading inside me. Of course he really didn't love me. It was just a reaction. How could I be so stupid to actually think ellipsis question mark? But Aru. But now he is kissing me back with a passion. I slowly break away. I love you too, I tell him, and he looks at me. Would you stop sneezing?
Sorry, Aru.
Oh my god! Would you stop? Aru.
I did it that time.
Aru.
I'm surprised if anyone watches all 6-7 minutes of this. It gets to my
Where was
snoozing.
that? I love you too, I tell him, and he looks at me. Touch the curl, he says quietly. I hesitate, and he says it again.
Touch the girl.
I reach up and stroke it slowly, and he shudders, a smile spreading across his face. Oh, do that again. I do, and the smile is his reaction. Oh, Spade, Spade, don't ever stop, don't ever stop. And that's the end of it. Oh my god, there were so many typos.
Rush is horrible at reading erotic things at her.